Good morning. It is an absolutely lovely day today, and I'm in such a good mood because last night this little channel of mine actually hit 50 subscribers. And so in this video I thought I'd touch on some thoughts basically I have about that. So the thing is, when I started making my little silly videos that I post on this channel, I never actually thought that, anyone would even watch it, because I'm just this random guy from Sweden, right, who basically puts a camera in his face and talks about different topics that I find interesting. And I always kind of assumed that, hey, who would want to watch that? And then, to my big surprise, I actually had a few people, not any large amounts of people, but a few people actually watched some of my videos, and a few people started subscribing. And so when I made these first 100 videos, I realized that, hey, maybe I am actually doing something that is providing some type of value to somebody out there. So I've set a personal goal where I said to myself, okay, let's see if I can make it to 100 subscribers. And it was very important to me that I didn't promote this channel, because the thing is that when it happened just the other day, and the thing is that I was so happy. It marks the halfway mark for my little ambition, and I was so overwhelmed and happy. I never thought it would something like this would, I would get to this point. And the reason why is because why it makes me so happy is because since I haven't tried to inflate the value of this channel of mine, and I haven't tried to optimize for searchability or anything like that, really, it's to me amazing that 50 people has found this channel and actually liked what I did, or like what I say in my videos, enough to subscribe. And to me, I know it might sound silly. I'm sorry if it sounds silly, but to me that is absolutely amazing. I can't really express in words how happy it makes me. And it's actually funny, because one of the things that I feel is a limitation on myself when I make these videos is that I have so much more things I want to say, and I have more heart than I can relate to you who are watching. And basically what I found is that the more videos I make, the easier it becomes for me to kind of have an even more honest dialogue with the people who are watching. And to those of you who have who are watching on a semi-regular basis, I want you to know that I am really grateful. Thank you so much. You may not think it, but I really appreciate it. It feels really great to have, someone who actually, who watches the videos, even though it wasn't the original intention. And so now that I hit 50 subscribers, basically I'm gonna try to put more effort and more heart into each video and try to stay on track, and not like in this video where I kind of drift off into something else besides programming and personal development, which is what I usually talk about. But I thought this was a special occasion, so hopefully I can make it to 100 subscribers in an organic way. And it's such that's an important part of it, because the thing is that I was watching a few of these videos where there are these YouTube creator advocates. These guys have hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and they teach how to gain followers or subscribers and popularity on a YouTube channel. And they have they talk about concepts such as sub for sub, and going to the search field to try to figure out what people are searching for to create content that is optimized to be popular and all of that stuff. And the thing is that I got some great tips. I thought that some of the stuff was really clever, but I also had this this cringe in me where I just didn't want to make something like that, because like my hope, or rather the original reason, and the, you know, it still is for making videos and talking about programming, was that I mean I'm a consumer myself. I watch tons and tons of videos, and I see all these different content creators doing the same thing, and they are, how do I put it, they're trying their best to raise the popularity of their channel versus providing, you know, not all of them, but I feel that some of them are focusing more on all the things that makes the vast majority of people want to subscribe to their channel and watch their content. And I don't want that. If I get a follower, like, that's why I'm so happy that I even made it to 50 people, because I haven't tried to optimize for, or tried to figure out how to make you want that. I just want to be honest and make the sort of videos that I hope somebody's going to find useful, basically. And to me, that's more important than trying to make the channels, a channel that gets really popular or really large. I suppose that makes me a bit of a dumbass, I suppose. I don't know. But anywho, what I basically wanted to say is that I will continue making my videos, and thank you so much. Like, you deserve more for watching, and I wish I could give it to you. Hopefully, you know, if you have some, you know, if I'm doing something you don't like, or if you have some feedback, or if you want me to start talking about something else, please, you know, send me a message. I'll respond as quickly as I can. And yeah, hopefully you have a great day.